You know what happened? I lost my drone because the projects that I live in, they had a power shortage. So I know what happened. The connection between the drone and the remote control lost signal because all the buildings in my projects lost power. So I lost my drone somewhere in Marlboro projects, somewhere around my building, because all the buildings lost power. The elevator's not working, the hallway light's not working, so to get a Wi-Fi signal, I understand what happened. So if anybody in Marlboro projects finds a white MAVIC Mini, everybody kind of like knows what I look like, you know. I'm from the 21 building. So if you happen to find a white MAVIC Mini outside in the yard, on the grass, this goes for the maintenance too. If you find that, I'll be asking around, did anybody find a drone, probably tomorrow before I go to work. But I know why the drone disconnected, because there was no Wi-Fi signal. Almost every building in the projects had a power grid failure. Some people's TVs and routers and cable boxes went out, and I went out to fly my drone, and my drone kept losing signal, and there's nothing I can do. So that's how I lost my drone. So if anybody finds a white MAVIC Mini crashed somewhere, you see what I look like. I usually have a long camouflage coat on, and I'm in the 21 building. And if you find it, let me know. That's what I'm saying.